With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is a stick of length 20 units is to be divided into n parts so that the product of the length of the parts is greater than unity. The maximum possible value of n is. Okay, so here there is a stick of length 20 units is to be divided into n parts. Okay, so here I can say that x1 plus x2 plus dash 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 up to xn should be equals to 20. Okay, because totals. Okay, so total part after adding the sum of total parts we got 20 units. Okay, and here the product of each part length, okay, is greater than unity, so I can write here x1 into x2 up to xn is greater than 1. Okay, is greater than 1, and we know that a relation between AM and GM. AM is greater than equals to GM. Okay, so from here I can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn upon n. Okay, upon n is greater than equals to x1 x2, okay, dash 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 up to xn power 1 by n. Okay, so that this is the relation. We know this relation. So here x1 plus x2 up to xn value is 20, so I can write here 20 by n should be greater than equals to this. Okay, this value is 1, so okay, this value is greater than 1, so I can write here x1 x2 up to xn power 1 by n. Okay, so here I assume this first equation and I assume this as second equation. Okay, so I can write here by equation 1 and 2. Okay, I can say that 20 by n should be greater than 1. Okay, so from here I can say n value is, if I reverse both side, if I reverse the entire equation, then this inequality gets reversed, so n by 20 is less than n 1. Okay, so from here I can say n value should be less than 20. Okay, so the nearest value less than 20 is 19. So option 2 is the right answer, that is 19. Okay, so thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.